Bad words which cause sales suicide. Majority of the messages you convey in your email campaigns are in words, thus your success largely depends on your ability to use the right ones and get the desired response from your readers. You use the wrong words and you just lose that sale. Your email subject line is the front liner of your campaign. In most occasions, it serves as the deciding factor whether the email gets opened, trashed, or sent straight to the spam folder. A few things to remember. Make it engaging, short and sweet and simple but catchy. Now, there can be a variety of reasons why your email newsletters get spam filtered. Although admittedly, there's no quick fix to this problem, there are certain steps you can take to get yourself out of trouble and become a better email marketer. The basic rule is to use words that will earn your email a gate pass and avoid the ones that will trigger the spam alarm. You do this when right, and you will enjoy higher open rates. Another thing, you should always take note that even if your emails get through the spam mesh and successfully land in your reader's inbox, equally important is that you, at all costs, avoid using words that would repel your readers. 55 deadly words. 1. Learn. The word sounds like a lot of effort, and your readers don't really like that. 2. Book. Again, avoid using words that sounds very inconvenient to your readers. Most of them prefer less action on their end. 3. Idiot. Nobody enjoys being called an idiot. Use a lighter approach, like using dummy instead. 4. Tell. Don't boss around. Nobody likes to be commanded to do things. 5. But. This conjunction implies a contradiction to what you just said, and it's not really nice to hear. 6. Purchase. This is your goal, of course, but using a term makes your readers feel like they're being robbed. 7. If. This sounds very conditional. Your readers won't appreciate that. 8. Things. Your readers will think you don't really know what you're talking about. Be specific. 9. Stuff. Another word that suggests incompetence on your end. They will expect you to be very knowledgeable about your craft. 10. That. Just stop abusing this word already. 11. Help. This word, together with % off and reminder, that often helps itself into the trash. 12. Competitor. Making your competitors look bad won't make yours better. Show them why your product is great instead. 13. Pitch. This emphasizes the sales that you try to make. Use presentation instead. 14. Advice. Most clients won't appreciate your being too preachy. It is better for you to share a similar experience in the past than going directly with an advice. 15. Honestly. This may be a nice word, but in sales, it implies that something you said earlier isn't truthful. 16. Problem. This actually triggers a negative reaction. Use challenge instead. 17. Please read. You don't really want to beg your way into your customers. 18. Buy. Hard selling is very unattractive to your readers. Give them reasons to do so instead of ordering them. 19. Full refund. You are giving them the feeling that your product may not work. 20. Be your own boss. Well, not everyone really wants that sense of authority. 21. Donate. Although it's good to encourage people to help, do not use this often because it becomes a major turnoff. 22. Assistance. This word is also very unpopular for readers and better to avoid. Work on their heart first before prompting them to give. 23. Contract. This scary term suggests that your readers are bound in some final bond. Use agreements instead. 24. Don't. Using this in reference to your product is a bad move. 25. Commission. Although your readers know that you are making money off the sales, you don't want to use this word. 26. Webinar. This word suffers worst open rate with minus 16.6% to minus 70.7% compared to report. 27. Monthly. This is shown to bring a minus 26.6% opens and minus 37% click rates. Weekly and daily performs better on open and click rates. 28. Order now. Buyers, especially those who are keen on their purchases, would like to think things through first. 29. Obviously. Saying this will make your readers think that you're telling them they're not smart enough to figure it out immediately. 30. Fast cash. Easy money is often associated with scamming. Don't risk your reputation by making this offer. 31. Dear somebody. This doesn't sound endearing at all. Customers like it when they feel that they are being addressed personally. It shows that you care. 32. Credit. The word triggers a stigma, so you should avoid using this in your newsletter. 33. Serious only. Sounds like a lot of commitment and effort. 34. Click. People are becoming more cautious now of clickbaits. 35. Open. Same as click. Telling your readers to do so will compel them to do the opposite. 36. Free. Unless you work for charity, avoid using this. More and more readers are becoming distrustful of this propaganda. 37. Cost. Don't give them hints that they can have other options. Total investment is a better term. 38. Bulk email. This is just dreadful. Your readers will never want to deal with emails flooding their inbox. 39. Join millions. Unless it's true, making much of a claim will cause distrust among your readers. 40. Obligation. Your prospect clients will not want to be bound to any obligation. Make them see that they have a power of choice. 41. Call now. Telling your readers to do extra work of calling isn't going to encourage them. 42. Exclamation points. Use more of these, and the more your readers will walk away from your mail. 43. This isn't spam. You actually encourage them to think that it is. 44. Promise you. You sound very desperate, and this suggests something they should give in return. 45. Forward and RE. Tricking your readers into thinking that this is an ongoing conversation will only breed distrust. 46. Quota. This suggests that you are only after your own sales and that you are not really interested in their well-being. 47. Cheap. The word is often associated with something that is of low quality. People want to save, but it doesn't mean they will settle for something cheap. 48. Lose. Losing is never an attractive word. Now this will send a negative impression to your readers. 49. Only a $sign. Use of a $sign has been consistently spam filtered, and there's a good reason for that. 50. Maybe. Sales pitching requires confidence, and using this word means you're unsure of what you're talking about. 51. Perhaps. This word also implies lack of sufficient information and confidence. 52. Guarantee. This gives your reader the feeling that something can actually go wrong. 53. Objections. This sends out a negative feeling. Use areas of concern instead. 54. Customer. Using the word client is more endearing. 55. Hope. This implies that you are not certain about it, and your readers will likely feel the same.